Hey guys, in this video we are going to be doing this look today, which I'm kind of digging. Make sure you subscribe at the button down below and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss another video. And make sure you follow me on my social media so we can, be friends. So let's just get into this video because I'm kind of feeling it. First, we'll be doing our brows with this CoverGirl brow pomade that I don't know the name of or the shade of right now because I'm currently at work. So yeah, sorry guys, I'm using a Sigma brush as well. Then, priming the eyes with my favorite primer at the moment. And we're just going to be using these Katy Cat palettes. I think they're limited edition, but if you're able to get your hands on them, please do because they are so pigmented, and don't mind the lash that's on the palette. But they are pigmented, blendable, and everything. I'm so in love with the shimmers in these. Like, both of these palettes are so good. And I'm just going to let you watch what I do because these are not named, so just, watch me blend. To highlight my brow bone, we are using the Glow by Victoria palette, and this is Pearl Thong, and we are going to highlight the brow bone. For eyeliner, we are going to be using the CoverGirl liner that I don't know the name of or the shade of, but it is the brown one. And honestly, this is the easiest liner I've ever used. Lashes, Ardell Demi Wispies and Kiss Adhesive Glue. For primer, we're going to be using the Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer that I don't know how I feel about, and just using that as my primer. And what foundation are we using? You know the answer. Good job. And I just wanted to use this because I never use it. This is the Makeup Revolution or Revolution 1 stick contour stick, 1 Pro. I don't know, you've seen what it was. I'm tired, you guys. I've been at work since 7:30 and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm using this weird Charlotte Tilbury flawless filter thing. I don't know if it's a foundation or what, but it gives the skin a really good glow. Concealer, we were using the Rimmel 25-hour lasting concealer. It's very flexible and I like it for under my eyes, to be honest. I did set my face with translucent powder like some parts, but I'm using this CoverGirl Vitalist powder to contour with my favorite brush that I can't remember the name of right now because it's not in front of me. So yeah, sorry about that, you guys. I'll list everything down below. If you are medium toned skin, please invest in Sunbeam by Benefit because it is the most prettiest glow I've ever seen in my life. blush, we're using Pandora's Face Pink Carnation Blush because I don't ever use it anymore and it's really pretty. When I set my face with the Oprah makeup fixer, I sprayed on my face and then pat it into my skin. And it just gets rid of the cakiness. And then we're just popping this eyeliner from Pixie into the waterline. And to finish off the look, we're using the Buxom Full-On Lip Cream. And you know, I don't have the shade in front of me, so I don't know what it was. And I was swatting a gnat out of my face. This is the finished look and I really hope you guys like it because I am in love with it. My eyeliner is like, gosh, it's so sharp. So if you want more looks like this, please let me know in the comments down below and I will see you in my next video.